Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. The striking labour union don by fire by force shut down the national grid wey result to nationwide blackout. The Transmission Company of Nigeria (TCN) tok dis one come outside inside a statement by their public affairs manager Ndidi Mba for Abuja dis morning. She say the shutdown happen around 2:19 a.m. dis early momo, June 3, 2024. The statement explain further say around 1:15 a.m. dis morning, Benin Transmission Operator under Independent System Operations Unit of TCN report say dem drive all operators comot from control room and staff wey prove stubborn chop koboko as dem wunjure some other pipo comot from the control room. Other TCN substations wey dey shut down include Gamo, Benin, Ayede, Olorunshogo, Akangba and Osogbo transmission substations. Dem force other generating plants like Jebba to shut down. Dis force load don cause high frequency and system instability wey make national grid shut down by 2:19 a.m. But by 3:23 a.m, TCN come start grid recovery using Shiroro substation to attempt to feed the transmission line wey supply bulk electricity to Katampe transmission substation. TCN say dem go continue their efforts to recover and stabilize the grid so that light go dey restored nationwide. Dis further tori dey inside the nation. Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) don collect back the banking licence wey dem give Heritage Bank PLC and e don take effect immediately. Dis decision happen sake of say the bank no gree improve im financial performance and dis one dey dangerous for financial stability. Na Acting Director of Corporate Communication Department for CBN, Sidi Ali, tok dis one come outside today wey be Monday. According to the statement, dem say the Apex Bank no fit take am again upon all the steps wey dem don take with no reasonable achievement. Na im come make dem take dis steps so that dem go maintain public confidence. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. The Academic Staff Union of University (ASUU) don join the strike wey organized labour start today. Dis one happen after federal government fail to meet up with minimum wage wey union dey demand. Na inside the statement, ASUU President Emmanuel Osodeke direct all lecturers wey dey all over the country make dem join the strike as dem be affiliate of union. Na dis same reason make NLC and TUC shut down the domot of head of service building wey dey Federal Secretariat Phase 2 for Abuja today. NLC and TUC start nationwide strike today to protest against the 60,000 naira minimum wage wey federal government propose. NLC President Joy Ajaero announce say dis strike follow failed negotiation between government and organized labour, plus as dem refuse to reverse subsidy of the power sector and the increase in electric money. Union don already give May 31st as deadline to conclude negotiation. Na as government insist say dem no go add chichi join the 60,000 naira offer make union declare nationwide indefinite strike. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. Hoodlums don attack some members of NLC wey dey enforce the indefinite strike wey dey go on for Jos, Plateau State. We hear say na one private transport company wey dey Jos tout attack NLC members wey make dem land for hospital. When the vice chairman of NLC for Plateau, Sunday Ayodele, dey explain wetin happen to newsmen, e say immediately the tout wey dey for park see dem dey come for gate, dem begin dey throw stone thinking dem be members of NURTW, as dem too no know say wahala dey between the private transport company and NURTW for Jos. Before everybody go understand wetin dey happen, dem don wunjure 4 NLC members. Na security agency come intervene before peace reign again. Dis one come make dem comot all their members from the park so that peace go reign again. We also hear say members of the Parliamentary Staff Association of Nigeria (PASAN) wey be affiliate of NLC don block di domot of both entrance and exit of National Assembly. Some of the members wey come early to monitor the compliance meet two gates blocked with two coastal bus. The same thing happen for Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja, as passengers wey wan travel by air no fit enter airport after dem block everywhere. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. Labour Party for Nigeria don plead with workers' union make dem do another negotiation with government on dis minimum wage wahala instead wey dem dey embark on industrial action. Na di National Publicity Secretary of Labour Party Obiora Ifo appeal to labour union inside one interview e do with News Agency of Nigeria (NAN) today. Ifo say di strike no be option at all because e go cause more hardship and suffering for country pipo. E say di 494,000 minimum wage wey labour dey demand no dey realistic, na figure wey government no fit maintain. Wetin dis one mean be say government go take all di money wey dem get take pay civil servants. Ifo say make labour union continue to engage federal government till dem reach di figure wey go dey acceptable to both of dem. Dis further tori dey inside Vanguard. Di award-winning actress and filmmaker Funke Akindele don donate ₦2 million to Plenty Celestial Church for Nigeria make dem take celebrate juvenile harvest wey happen yesterday. Di popular actress announce on top her Instagram page say she plan to support 20 church with ₦100,000 each of dem before she come write "Happy Juvenile Harvest to our children." She say make dem drop church details, make dem make sure say na church account before she go pick randomly. Dis further tori dey inside The Nation. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.